Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements, and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 15 stocks including 21st Management, Indraprastha Gas, Sky Gold, etc. Those have announced split, dividend, or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share, and subscribe. A1 More Capital and Management Services Limited. Share is trading around rupees 17.8 per each share. Company announced rights issue at the rate rupees 10 per each share. Rights issue ratio is 5:24. That means if you have 24 A1 More Capital and Management Services Limited share, you can apply for 5 shares at the rate rupees 10. Record date is fixed as 12th December 2024. Issue period is between 23rd December to 6th January. Shraddha Prime Projects Limited. Current market price rupees 233. Shraddha Prime Projects announced a board meeting on 9th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is bonus. Thinking Pictures Limited. Current market price rupees 1.85. This penny stock announced a board meeting on 16th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is bonus. Indraprastha Gas Limited IGL. Current market price rupees 384. Company announced a board meeting on 10th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring bonus. 21st Century Management Services Limited. Current market price rupees 100. 21st Century Management announced a board meeting on 11th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited MASDOC. Current market price rupees 4,881. MASDOC announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 27th December 2024. AGI Infra Limited. Current market price rupees 1,793. AGI Infra announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of AGI Infra, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by AGI Infra. Bambino Agro Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 379. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.6 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 19th December 2024. Siemens Limited. Current market price rupees 7,788. Siemens announced a dividend of rupees 12 per each share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Siemens. Shish Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 127. Shish Industries announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Shish Industries, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. 27th December is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the stock split. Sprite Agro Limited. Current market price rupees 12.6. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 1000 shares of Sprite Agro Limited, you will get another 1000 shares as bonus. So total you will have 2000 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Sprite Agro. Padam Cotton Yarns Limited. Current market price rupees 270. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Padam Cotton Yarns. Sky Gold Limited. Current market price rupees 4,127. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 9:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Sky Gold Limited, you will get 90 shares as bonus. So total you will have 190 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 16th December 2024. Ascensive Educare Limited. Current market price rupees 98. Ascensive Educare Limited announced a board meeting on 10th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock. RDB Infrastructure and Power Limited. Current market price rupees 564. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by RDB Infrastructure. Link Limited. Current market price rupees 639. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2 and announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 20th December 2024. Achyuth Healthcare Limited, current market price rupees 78. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10 and announced stock bonus in the ratio 4:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th December 2024. IPO. Toss the Coin Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price band rupees 172 to 182, lot size 600 shares. IPO opens on 10th December and IPO closes on 12th December 2024. Base of allotment 13th December and initiation of funds 16th December. Credit of shares to demat account is fixed as 16th December 2024. Listing date 17th December 2024. Shareholding pre-issue 80% and shareholding post-issue 58.67%. Incorporated in 2020, Toss the Coin Limited is a marketing consulting company that provides custom-made marketing services to clients. The company offers marketing consulting services for B2B tech companies. They have experience working with multiple technology organizations, big and small, to craft their GTM strategies from branding, content development, designs, website, social media campaigns, customer success management, and design thinking based problem solving workshop to consulting. As of September 30, 2024, the company has 43 employees. This is the balance sheet of Toss the Coin Limited for the last 3 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.